So first, let's start with drawing this beautiful wine glass, the outer shape. Now, as it is a symmetrical object, I'm drawing a straight line in the middle so as to make sure my left and right sides look the same. Now, if you will see this, I am constantly trying to get my shape correct. So it is a difficult part. The shape of your glass can look different than what is shown in the reference. But I'm trying my best to get to the correct shape visually. So take some time, look at your picture, make your own corrections, and try to get a nice, good looking shape at least. Now starting with the stem. Again, I'm drawing the line in the center so that I know that my stem should look symmetrical. So now I'm going to draw the wine in the glass and just kind of going to draw the outer shape. The remaining detailing we are going to do everything with the paintbrush. So not too much drawing here, but yes, difficult to draw a symmetrical object always. So there takes a lot of time. And I'm yet correcting my shape because I'm not happy with how it's looking. The top was looking too tiny. I wanted a slightly wider look according to the reference. So I guess now I'm fine.